Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to set up Cash App Afterpay. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in Cash App, go to the home screen and tap on the card icon in the bottom menu. This will take you to your Cash Card settings. If you have not yet ordered a Cash Card, you will need to do that first. Tap on the option to order your Cash Card, choose your design, and confirm your delivery address. You will need the physical or virtual Cash Card in order to use Afterpay. After your Cash Card is active, open the Afterpay app on your phone. If you do not have Afterpay yet, download it and create an account. In the Afterpay app, go to the Payment Methods section. Choose the option to add a new card. Enter the details from your Cash Card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once your Cash Card is linked to Afterpay, you can start using it at any store that accepts Afterpay. At checkout, choose Afterpay as your payment method. Afterpay will split your purchase into installments, and the payments will be charged to your Cash App balance or linked bank account through the Cash Card. That is all you need to set up Cash App Afterpay.